Thank you for taking a few minutes to look at Gravity software. Today, I want to compare QuickBooks Online with Gravity. Both are rendered in a browser, and both are cloud-based solutions, and both have a lot of functionality. So, let's talk about multiple companies. On the left, you'll see QuickBooks for one company. If you want to change companies, you actually have to go and leave this company and switch into another database. Each database being separate, and every single report being totally separate by company. In Gravity, we have the ability to have multiple companies in one database with security with self-balancing books. So I can very easily pick between one or another company to work in. I'm not actually closing any databases. I'm just going between companies here to work within the parent, the child, and there is no limit to how many companies you can have in Gravity. We have the ability to manage the do-tos and do-froms in our multi-company maintenance. And here, I can go and say how do I want the two companies to interact when I create transactions across them. I can't show you this in QuickBooks because they can't do it. But here, I can basically say do-tos, do-froms between the two entities. And then we will automatically allow you to do things, like post entries between multiple accounts. We'll give you the opportunity to go out there and run consolidated reports. So, if I want to do a new voucher here, and again, I can't show you this in QuickBooks. You'll see the ability to have multiple companies' distribution here in our line items. As we did with allocations, we can do here with vouchers. We can do it here with journal entries, and it makes it really nice to take one expense and distribute it between 10, 12, even 15 different companies. There's not a limit that we actually built in. So, Gravity is really built for an organization that needs more horsepower than QuickBooks. Hopefully this will enlighten you to what Gravity can do. Gravity actually has more features and more functionality than QuickBooks Online, and we have only touched upon the surface. Thank you again for taking a few minutes to look at Gravity software.